Hello everybody, it is time for night-night. It is 11:30 and Piggy's already in bed. He's been playing all day long. And of course, Princess always has to get in here for the night-night video. She always wants me to pet her. Right, Princess? You are a little mush-mush. Oh. Sammy. Oh my goodness. This sweet boy. Yes, you want me to pet you? I know. Cleo loves her pig. Anyway, guys, we hope you're having a great weekend so far. I know it's just Friday. It feels like the weekend's almost over, but it's not. Having off all these days is so amazing. Yep. It's exactly what I needed. Just to relax with my kids. Anyway, we are going to say... What are we going to say, Sam? Sam's going to say, Mommy, please leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep. Stop bothering me. We're going to say, sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. We love you. Night, night.